Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat app. First, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on this settings icon in here. Here you can find this memories option, so tap on it. Now you need to go to save button option. You need to select memories and camera roll option in here. And then go back. Next, tap on this Auto Save My Story Snaps option. Here you need to select Don't Auto Save option. Then you are all set. You don't have to press save, and that's how you go back up your camera roll on your Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.